A very big hello and namaste to all of you. Yes, you guessed it right. I am traveling to Lonavala. तो दिवाली के एक हफ्ते पहले when I was too much burdened with work, I really needed a break because दिवाली की festivities भी तो enjoy करनी थी. So I told my friend in Pune, let's go somewhere, and he suggested why not go to Lonavala क्योंकि वो मुंबई और पुणे के exactly बीच में है. तो हम पहुंच गए लोनावला और हमने चुनी एक ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे हम पहले कभी नहीं गए थे. बट यू कैन सी द रोड टू दैट प्लेस, टू द रिसोर्ट वाज समथिंग दैट रियली इंट्रीग्ड मी. द कच्चा रोड, फील्ड्स ऑन द साइड, ये पुराना सा पुल मुझे उस गांव की याद दिला रहा था जो भीनी भीनी सी खुशबू छोड़ जाता है और जहाँ पे आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप चलते ही जा रहे हैं और आसपास में आपके सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रकृति के सारे सुंदर नज़ारे हैं. So you can see how the property is nestled in between the mountains. This is the Mizzle Exotica. It's an apartment-based boutique stay resort. Half of it is getting made and half of it is left. So this was our lunch for the first day. It was a simple roti sabji we ordered because we were so tired. And look at the night scene. You can see that it started raining on the first night. It was pleasant. We had gone to Hotel Ramakrishna where we had South Indian food. And guess what? मैं जैसे आदत नहीं है शाम के 7 बजे बाद भी खाना खाने की. We had our dinner that day at रात को 10 बजे. This is our lunch for the next day where we ordered from a local restaurant and this was just okay. And look at this amazing property out here. It's a 2 BHK that we booked. It has a kitchen, an oven and so many facilities. And this is the kitchen balcony and the terrace, half terrace या फिर the main balcony which is this. It gives you an amazing garden view as well as an amazing sunset view जो आपने वीडियो में थोड़े टाइम पहले देखा. This was an amazing experience, guys. And the best part is because this was just 1 week before Diwali, the entire property was almost empty. There were just a few families who had come to enjoy their relaxation period. Otherwise, everything out here was empty and you could enjoy the resort and the place and you can look at the facilities. And I loved this low level bed, by the way. It was so comfy. It was something that I would definitely recommend. I'm going to make a good, nice, long video of this entire property. This is just a glimpse of it. And from everywhere there was amazing sunlight and all the views coming in. This is me getting ready for the Kinara Dhaba. So we had decided on the next day that we are going to go in the evening at Kinara Dhaba. मैं इतनी बार जा चुकी हूँ लोनावला, but I had never found the opportunity to visit the famous Kinara village, which is Kinara Dhaba. So here we were, and oh my God, what to say? Even this I'm going to put on a different vlog. You're just going to see a glimpse of it, but truly ephemeral experience, I can say. ये जो पूरा सेटअप इन्होंने किया है ना विलेज का, और जिस तरह से इनके स्टाफ जो आपको सर्व करते हैं, I mean the behavior of the staff, the mannerisms, everything is awesome. Only thing I'm not a person who appreciates animal being used, but that's a different thing. That's up to the resort. But I love these antique pieces, the handicrafts that they've kept here, the entire village is set up, the earthen pots and the wheel and things used for agriculture. It really gives you a rural feel. और ये जो सारी टेंट्स बनी हुई है, ये जो सारे डाइनिंग एरियाज बने हुए हैं, it is an amazing work of art, I would say, because इन्होंने ये इतना सोच समझ के बनाया है कि even 2 people can sit in privacy and even 20 people can sit in privacy. That is something awesome. And we really enjoyed here because in the evening they have these ghazal nights. और the best part is यहाँ पे if you really want to not sit in a place where veg and non-veg is served together, then they have this separate section of pure veg, that is this where we are going. You कैन जस्ट सिट देयर. वो छोटा सा एरिया है जो आप आके देखेंगे, बट देन दे हैव मेड दिस facility for the guests so that no one gets disappointed. It's a huge area. यहाँ पे गौशाला भी है. There is this bird feeding section, and because we had gone in the night, we could not actually see much. But in the morning, you will be able to enjoy this thing. And they have kept the property really well. And the best part is the steel plates. I love the steel plates so much. Means I was so irritated, I was so exhausted with all the restaurants, serving in the melamine and the plastic containers. आप कितना भी पैसा दे दो, they are really giving in that plastic and melamine plates and dishes. But Kinara is serving their food in these steel plates, which is, I will give 10 on 10 for. And these hara bara kebab and cheese corn ball, oh my god. It was to die for. One bite and you are satisfied. We had ordered Punjabi food, roti sabji over here. The staff is cleaning the plates and giving, which is a next level hygiene and care. And we had ordered 2 sabjis, and I had ordered misi roti, which is my favorite, and Vikrant had ordered lachha paratha, and then the sabji was bhindi masala and veg handi. So all in all, it was like, we really went full, not because of the food, but because of the experience. It was amazing. ये देखिए कितनी space है बीच में. आप, you can just, after your dinner, you can just walk around or sit in the swing like I am really swinging and enjoying the entire place. And you can spend a good amount of time with your loved ones. The ghazal going in the background. I mean, it's an experience to really, really cherish. And then we decided to go to this tea stall, which is quite famous out there, and have this pudina lemon chai, which was, oh my god, can't explain. While coming back, like last night, it was not raining, thankfully. So we just loved the entire experience. And as you can see, गणपति पापा तो होते ही है हर जगह पे हमारी रक्षा करने के लिए. और जब मैंने इनको यहाँ पे देखा, I became more elated कि wow, this property is like they are really cherishing each and everything. This is the poolside area. The property is kept well. They have a clubhouse. और जहाँ मेरे गणपति पापा होते हैं वहाँ तो मैं खुश हो ही जाती हूँ. तो उसमें कोई मतलब I don't have to second guess a particular place. So I was so very happy. And bidding goodbye to the property after a 2-night stay was really, really heartbreaking. But it's okay. We are going to come here next time. We are going to explore more places. Stay tuned to our channel, subscribe, and we are going to take you to amazing, amazing places in the entire India. Actually, we couldn't get enough of this road. हमें चाहिए ही नहीं था कि ये trip end हो. And because Vikrant was so sad, I asked him to smile. So he is also smiling with a heavy heart. But then I'm like, okay, fine, that's okay. हमारे महादेव जी हमसे यही कह रहे हैं कि आप next trip के लिए ready रहिए. मैं आपके साथ हूँ. So I was so very much excited and I was smiling because I know that we are going to go places. But before bidding a final goodbye to Lonavala, we went to Mapro. I wanted to visit this Mapro facility in Lonavala because I've been to the Mapro in Mahabaleshwar. Any place. And I remember the times जब Mapro वाले literally जो factory tour देते थे कि कैसे इनके products बन रहे हैं, that used to be very exciting for me. But I don't know if it is in this particular branch और ये हर जगह पे अभी हो गया है कि only this product section is there. And then and we finally bid goodbye to Lonavala.